Wrinkles and grooves seen on lips are termed as sulci, labiorum, rubrorum. The term was coined by Tsuchihashi. And the imprints of these grooves on lips is termed as lip prints, and the examination of the same is called as cheloscopy. And these lip prints are heritable and individualistic. Just like thumbprints, these constitute important material evidence left in crime scene. Tsuchihashi has classified different patterns of grooves into 6 types. Type 1, where you have clear-cut vertical grooves extending across the entire lip. In type 1, we have a subdivision where you have clear-cut vertical grooves not covering the entire lip. Type 2, where you have dividing grooves. Type 3, intersecting grooves. Type 4, reticular pattern. And type 5, grooves that cannot be morphologically differentiated. So it's 1 minute. See you again in another video.